What's the matter, bird? What's the matter, bird? You hear that? This little puppy sitting on the bed is very upset. Can we hear him? Birdie, what's that? What's that? Because he sees himself in the mirror. And he's not happy about that. Not at all. Isn't that a vicious growl for a 3-month-old puppy? Okay, that's enough. No more. You're a good boy. You're a good boy.